Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Flower of the Month Challenge, and this is hosted by DIY Deanna the Crafty Magnolia, and her co-host for this month is Tiff from the Broke Girl Aesthetics. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. And this is one project I made with the cranberry bottle, and I wanted to show you with the cap. I want to make this as a candle stand with a flower candle stand. So what the things that I need here is like a silver plastic spoons and glitter paper and pencil and some glue gun, of course, and my scissor. Where's my scissors? So what I'm going to do is, what I did was in the break, I just got the shape of this lid and I cut into two circles. I stuck the inner circle and I'm going to stick the outer circle like this. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Oh, I forgot to tell, the glitter paper and the spoons, they are from Dollar Tree. So like this, and I'm going to stick the spoons facing down, one set of spoons facing down. I calculated it to be like 9 of them facing down and 9 facing up. So we need like almost a bag would be sufficient for this project. So I'm going to break like that at the would be like standing up like that. Now I'm going to stick in the gaps between these two like this, and I'll be back showing how it will look. And this is the finished product. I attached like one layer, a top layer, one bottom layer, and I also had this votive candles that I got it in Dollar Tree, and then I attached this washi tape, 3 different shiny washi tapes I attached to the metallic part of the votives, and then I attached this one for the silver color to go with this, and then I'm going to decorate like this, like a flower. It looks like a lotus. So this is the final reveal of my candle holder, Lotus candle holder. A small sparkly spoons from Dollar Tree, and like you saw the process, I used the lid of the bottle, and I created a pedestal like so, and I added a candle. So this is a candle holder from Spoons, which is in lotus shape, and this is one of the projects that I wanted to share with you all today. And this one is another candle holder using the plastic spoons, and that is one of the glass candle holder and plastic spoons I arranged like a flower and I spray painted gold. And I made this using Christmas ornaments. I painted white and I stuck on top of each other, and those are coasters with some glass gems, and there's coaster on top, and then I arranged water lilies on the top. So this is one of the lily projects, or Lotus project, I wanted to share with you all. And this project I made a few months back. I'll also leave the link. You can see how I made. And this one is nail polish remover bottle. I painted beige and blue in patches, and I drew that lotus design on top of that and twined the top and decorated with some flowers on the top. So this is one of the upcycling projects, from trash to treasure, and I'll leave the link as I said. And this project I did long time back and I didn't make a video. And these are lotuses I made using homemade soft clay. And I didn't record this as a video, I just made long time back. And this shell I got from Michael's after Christmas sale. And I stuffed the inside of the shell using styrofoam, and I painted blue just to give the water effect. And I made this lotuses using homemade air dry clay. I'll share recipe with you all in one of these days, and you can make so many flowers with this. I made roses, calla lilies, lotus, and so many other flowers, even hydrangeas. So I'll also share what are all the projects I made using this soft clay. And I used those small pearl kind of strands from Hobby Lobby, and those are the lotus leaves. And I also created the stands with, you can see the metallic part of the wire using floral tape. I just circulated the floral tape around the wire, and I created like a stalk of the lotus and the leaves and stems. I'm very much happy about this project. I will try to make a video in a smaller form. I have a smaller shell. I'll create the same project in a miniature form and share with you all. And this project I made sometimes back during November, and this is one of the plastic bottle. I made like a flower, and I added a little bit of blue food color in some container to give like a pond effect, and I added some flowers and leaves in there. And it's just like I wanted to give like a lotus floating in a water of a pond. And this is something like, again, trash to treasure. This is one of the plastic water bottle. I made lotus out of that. And I use this to decorate during the festival seasons. And I have like a votive candle on top of the center lid part, and then it floats in the water. So yeah, this is one of the projects that I wanted to share related to water lily or lotus. So these are the few water lily or lotus themed decorations and DIYs that I wanted to share with you all. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.